So let's start. Relax your energy. Sit straight, sit comfortably with your back straight, neck straight. Relax your eyebrows, relax your forehead. Relax any tension on the face. Relax all your facial muscles. Bring your focus on your third eye chakra, that is in between your eyebrows. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Deep inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Complete exhalation. Feel that breathing from your belly. You can keep your hand on your belly. When you inhale, feel that stomach coming outside. Fill in the air completely. And exhale. Feel the belly going inside. Complete exhalation through your mouth. And now we are going to chant Omkar first. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and when you exhale, exhale with the sound of O. Okay? So inhale through your nose. One more time, inhale, and as you exhale, make the sound of Om. 3 sounds, A, U and Ma. Make that Ma as a longer sound. So let's do it one more time. Take a deep breath in. Feel those vibrations around your third eye chakra. Feel that energy of this beautiful sound and be completely present here. Feel your body. Check your body for any kind of physical tension, any kind of heaviness. And with each exhale, release. Just be here, present in this moment. Now keep your hands on your heart. Connect with your heartbeat. Feel your heartbeat. Connect with your heart. Feel that connection. As you keep your hands on your heart, feel that connection. Feel that physical connection. Feel that heartbeat. Connect with your heart. And before we enter into the healing process, let's take a moment to visualize the nurturing presence of Divine Mother's energy. So, as this is a special occasion of Mother's Day, let's visualize that presence of Divine Mother energy. With your eyes closed, imagine a soft golden light descending from above your head. This light is warm, it's gentle, it's loving. It carries the pure energy of unconditional love, the divine motherly care. Feel that divine mother energy, feel that unconditional love. Now see that this golden light is gently surrounding you like a comforting embrace. It's wrapping around your body, around your shoulders, flowing down your arms, your heart, your belly, legs, surrounding you completely. And surrounded by this beautiful divine mother energy, imagine standing in a beautiful, safe garden. And as you are standing in this beautiful garden, in front of you appears a radiant figure, symbol of divine motherhood. This may look like your own mother, a spiritual mother, or simply any glowing face of love. See that figure, whatever you are able to see, maybe your mother's face, maybe some divine energy, God, Goddess. Now she smiles at you with kindness and understanding. Bring that smile on your face as you are looking into this divine energy. Bring that smile. Now she places her hands over your heart. And as she does this, feel your heart begin to open. And she whispers, without words, telling you, you are loved. You are forgiven. You are never alone. You are loved. You are forgiven. You are never alone. Take a deep breath in and feel that golden light filling every part of you with peace. And now let's move into the Ho'oponopono healing process. Ho'oponopono is a powerful Hawaiian healing practice that allows us to take responsibility for our thoughts, actions, and feelings. So it's about making space for healing by practicing forgiveness both towards others and ourselves. Simple yet profound phrases of Ho'oponopono will guide us through this healing journey today. Keep your hands on your heart and say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. We will use these phrases to clear any negativity and bring healing to our hearts. especially in relation to motherhood and the nurturing energy that we all carry. Take one more cleansing breath. Deep inhale and exhale. Know that this time is for you, your healing, your peace, and your love. Feel that connection with the earth, with the ground. Release any heavy emotions or thoughts that are no longer serving you with each breath out. Now let's bring our awareness to the energy of motherhood. Whether you are a mother, or it's about your mother, or nurturing someone in your life, there is a powerful loving energy that flows through all of us. Take a moment to reflect on what motherhood means to you. Maybe you think of your own mother. Maybe you think of a motherly figure in your life. Someone who has shown you love, compassion, and care. Feel the love of mother's heart, the tenderness, the sacrifice, and the unconditional care. This energy is not just for mothers. It's in each one of us. We all have the energy and ability to nurture, to care, and to heal. With every breath, allow yourself to soften and open to the healing possibilities ahead. As we go through these phrases, you have to repeat it quietly in your mind or aloud with sincerity and openness. Let the words sink deep into your heart. I am sorry. I am sorry. Take a moment to reflect on any pain or hurt you have been holding related to your mother or any maternal figure in your life. Reflect on that pain or hurt. This phrase is about taking responsibility. Even if you don't feel that you didn't do anything wrong, I am sorry is an acknowledgement of any emotional energy that has been left unresolved. So it's not about the blame, it's about clearing that negative energy. Say, I am sorry. It's about offering compassion to yourself. If there is any guilt or regret that has been sitting heavy on your heart, give yourself permission to say, I am sorry. It's a step towards healing. Keep your hands on your heart, keep your eyes closed. I am sorry for any pain, any misunderstanding, or unmet expectations. I am sorry for the times I was not able to do my best. I am sorry for any hurt I may have caused, whether intentional or unintentional. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, release any negative energy associated with the past. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Now, as we ask for forgiveness, it's important to know that forgiveness is not just for others, but for ourselves too. We give ourselves permission to release old wounds and to forgive the past. Please forgive me. This is an invitation to let go of any resentment, anger, or hurt. It is a request for peace, an acknowledgement that we no longer need to hold on to pain. Please forgive me for the times I have held on to negativity, for the judgments I have made, or the hurt I may have caused. Please forgive me for the times I have not been kind to myself or others. Feel that forgiveness flowing into your heart. Allow this forgiveness to wash over you like a gentle wave, leaving you free, light, and at peace. Now let's move to gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces of healing. Thank you. Say thank you. With this phrase, we are recognizing the lessons, the love, and the strength we have received from our mothers and from the motherly energy in our lives. Thank you to the mothers who have shown us love, patience, and care. Thank you to the motherly energy within us that nurtures, heals, and grows. Thank you for the lessons, the love, and the patience. Thank you for the moments of understanding and for everything I have learned through this relationship. Feel the gratitude filling your heart, expanding throughout your being. Take a moment to honor the journey and the growth that has come from this relationship. Let's say, I love you. Finally, we come to the most powerful phrase, I love you. This phrase connects us to the deepest truth of our being, that love is the most healing force of all. I love you. It's not only for the people in our lives, but also for ourselves. Love is the foundation of all healing. It's unconditional, unwavering, and ever present. I love you. Say, I love you, my dear mother, for all that you have been and all that you are. I love myself, for I am a reflection of the love that flows from you. I love you, for the healing I bring to myself and others. As you say these words, let the love fill your entire being, down to your toes, to your heart, and up to your crown. Let love heal every corner of your spirit. I love you. Take a moment now to release any remaining emotions that may be lingering. Picture them gently dissolving in the light, leaving you feeling light, open, and free. You have done the healing work. You have acknowledged, forgiven, thanked, and loved. And now it's time to let go of anything that is no longer serving you. Visualize all the negative energy dissolving, replaced with peace and love. Say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And as we come to the closure of this session, let's pause and express gratitude for the healing that has taken place. We have made space for forgiveness, love, and deep peace within ourselves and our relationships. Take a deep breath in. Make it a deep breath. Hold and breathe out. One more time, take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Just bring your attention to present moment. May this energy of love, forgiveness, and healing stay with you today and always. You are loved. You are enough. You are complete. Remember that. Bring your attention to your body. Gently move your fingers. Move your toes. Start rubbing your palms. Rub your palms faster, creating that energy, that warmth, that motherly divine energy of love, compassion. Spread that energy all across your body, across your heart, and slowly and gently open your eyes whenever you are ready. And tell me, how are you feeling now?